In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make PPT on Gamma I without Watermark. If you've ever created a great deck only to see a watermark appear when you try to share it, this walkthrough is for you. The fix is simple and reliable, and by the end, you'll have a clean PowerPoint file ready to use anywhere. Start by heading to Gamma's website in your browser. From your Gamma dashboard, look to the top corner for your profile menu. Open that menu and choose Upgrade. This takes you to Gamma's plan options. The upgrade page clearly lays out what each paid plan includes, so you can pick what fits your needs, whether you're creating decks occasionally or producing them regularly for clients or your team. The key point for today is this: paid plans automatically remove the watermark when you export. You don't need any extra settings or add-ons. Once you're on a paid plan, watermark-free exporting is built in. After you've upgraded, return to your presentation in Gamma. Open the deck you want to share and look for the export option. Choose to export as a PowerPoint file, so you get a .pptx you can open in Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, or other compatible tools. Gamma will generate the file and download it to your device. When you open that exported file, the watermark will be gone. Here are a few quick tips to make this smooth. If you exported your deck before upgrading and saw a watermark, simply export it again after the upgrade. The new download will be clean. Make sure you're working from the correct workspace or account if you have more than one, so the upgrade applies to the place where your presentation lives. If you're collaborating with others, anyone can view the exported PowerPoint without needing Gamma, which makes handoffs easy. And if your presentation includes custom fonts or embeds, preview the exported file to confirm everything looks the way you expect before sending it out. To recap the flow in plain terms: open Gamma, use your profile menu to select Upgrade, choose a paid plan, then export your presentation as a PowerPoint. The watermark removal happens automatically as part of the paid plan, so there's nothing extra to toggle or configure. That's all you need to make a PPT on Gamma without a watermark. Follow these steps once and you'll have a clean, professional file every time you export. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your polished, share-ready presentations.